Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring April Lace Wigs. Big thank you to April Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. So we are approaching the holiday season, although I know it doesn't really feel like it, and I absolutely love all the different glam looks you can do, so this is going to be inspired by that. Today I'm featuring their Italian Yaki lace front wig with a silk top closure. Do you remember when silk tops were everything? This reminded me why. So the beautiful thing about the silk top is no matter where you part it, you're going to get that scalp-like appearance. You don't have to worry about knots, those little screen door looking knots. You don't have to worry about that. I did do some tweezing to this hairline prior to the install, so that's the only thing I really did off camera, so that's what you see here. I'm going to go in and install this with my Kiss lace spray. I love this spray down. Everything that I use will be linked down in the description box. So I use that to lay the lace, and I have to say that this lace blended really well. I give you quite a few close-up looks on this lace because I was truly impressed by how good this melted down. So once I melt that down, I pulled out an oldie but goodie. I pulled out these hair wraps because I was going through like my hair arsenal and I came across these, which I need to finish and use. So I decided to use this instead of a melt bands, and I absolutely love the way this works. Like, I totally forgot how much I love these. So I used that to melt the lace down while I styled it. So after I put that down, I wanted to try this new tool, this new hair tool that I have. I got this from the YouTube event. This is from Shark Beauty. This is one of their newest hair tools. I will have that linked as well. I use that just to press out the hair because you know how this texture comes with those crimps. I really wanted to get rid of the crimps before I styled it in my final style. So I have to say that this is definitely a tool that I can see myself using more often. And I do want to try this on my natural hair as well as other textures of hair because they advertise it as working for all textures. So definitely something that I have to pull out again. So I use that to get the hair into this nice big blowout state. I'm going to go in with some hairspray. I used a light hairspray from Aussie, and then I pulled out my curling wand. So this is going to be the holiday look that I am referring to. I did some wand curls in this hair. This was the perfect length. After wanding it, it wasn't too short, but it wasn't too long. And this hair holds a really, really nice curl. I worked with this company before. I did a versatile sew-in, and I'm going to link that video here. I used this texture, the Italian Yaki straight, to do a sew-in, and I didn't get a chance to curl that hair, but I still have that hair. I saved those bundles because I just knew it was a really good grade of hair. After seeing how well this curls, I'm going to have to pull those bundles back out. So I used the wand curl and I did medium-sized wand curls all over, and I went with a side part. I love, love, love the way this came out. I did not have to do any baby hairs. The lace on this wig, it was fine as is. I didn't need any baby hairs to camouflage it. I did pull out a little bit of hair on the ear tabs, but that was more so for security. I could have went without it, but when you pull those hairs out on the side, sometimes it just helps to hold the lace down, but that is really it. So once I'm done with that style, the last style that I'm going to show you is going to be a half up, half down, which you guys know I love, especially with these wand curls. It is so pretty, so playful. This is like the perfect holiday party hair. Like, if you're stepping out for a holiday event, yeah. No matter what texture, this is always going to give, and you get to show off any makeup that you do, jewelry, because all the hair is out of your face. You don't have to worry about anybody staring or clocking your tea because look how good it looks when you get up close. It looks like scalp. The silk top just gives it that perfect scalp, realistic look. So if you're interested in this wig, I'm going to have all the links down in the description box. It's going to take you directly to their website. You are able to filter through and basically customize your wig as far as length, parting space, density, and texture. You can filter all of that and customize it to your liking. So I'm going to have all that information down below, as well as any products that I use in this video will be down below as well. If there's anything that I forgot to mention, you can drop the comments down in the comment section. As far as density, this hair is full density. This is true to length. I love this texture. It's a versatile texture. Wig is true to size. I'm going to say it's the perfect fit for an average size head, but you can customize that as well. So once again, shout out to April Lace Wigs for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.